In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or insert a blank page in Google Docs, whether you're organizing a document or preparing a comprehensive report. Understanding how to manage pages is a fundamental skill that can save you time and enhance the readability of your work. So, let's dive right in. First, open your web browser of choice. Once you're there, navigate to the Google homepage by typing google.com in the address bar. After the page loads, you'll need to sign in to your Google account. This is an important step because Google Docs integrates seamlessly with Google services, and your documents will be saved directly to your Google Drive. Click on the Sign In button found at the top right corner of the page. You will then be prompted to enter your email address. After typing it in, click on the Next button. Now enter your password and click Next again. This should successfully log you into your Google account. With your Google account active, keep an eye out for the small grid of squares located on the right upper side of the page, often called the Google Apps menu. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Google Docs. This will take you to the Google Docs homepage where you can access all your existing documents or start a new one. Now choose the specific document you want to work with, or if you're starting fresh, opt to create a new document. Once your document is open, you'll need to decide where you want to insert the blank page. This could usually be at the end of your current content, but it can also be placed wherever necessary throughout your document. Position your cursor at the exact spot where you want the new page to appear. Next, look to the top of the Google Docs interface for the menu options. You'll want to click on Insert. Hovering over this will give you a variety of insertions you can make. Move down to Break and then select Page Break. This option is designed specifically for inserting new pages, and what it does is insert a blank page directly after the position of your cursor. And that's it! You've successfully inserted a blank page into your Google Doc. This method is not only functional, but also incredibly user-friendly. It's a simple process that can be repeated whenever you find it necessary to add a new page. Understanding how to control the flow of your document by inserting pages is crucial for any kind of document preparation. So whether you're drafting a resume, writing a book, or preparing a detailed report, knowing how to manage your document's layout is an invaluable skill. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to return